Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Dodge Challenger. First, you'll select your preferred model and trim, like the SXD or Scat Pack. Then, explore the powerful engine choices, ranging from a V6 to a supercharged V8. Next, personalize the exterior with vibrant paint colors and unique wheel designs. Finally, tailor the interior with premium materials and advanced technology features to create your ideal muscle car. Let's dive into the heart of your Challenger, the engine. You can start with the efficient 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, offering 303 horsepower. For more muscle, choose the 5.7-liter Hemi V8, providing 375 horsepower. If you crave even more, the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 delivers 485 horsepower. For ultimate power, supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engines offer over 700 horsepower. Now, let's make your Challenger truly yours with exterior and interior styling. You can select from over 10 vibrant paint colors, like Tour Red or F8 Green. Choose from a variety of wheel designs, including 20-inch options, to complete the look. Add classic racing stripes or a blacktop package for a distinct appearance. Inside, personalize the cabin with premium leather or durable cloth seating, ensuring comfort and style for every drive. Finally, let's explore the technology and safety features that enhance your driving experience. Integrate advanced infotainment systems with an 8.4-inch touchscreen, offering seamless connectivity. Utilize helpful driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and full-speed forward collision warning. Benefit from blind spot monitoring and rear crosspath detection for added awareness. Plus, enjoy premium sound systems for an immersive audio experience, making every journey in your Challenger enjoyable and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.